Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to hide display recent templates on home screen's Google Sheets on computer. So how to hide display recent templates on home screen's Google Sheets on computer. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Google Sheets application on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display on Google Sheets. Just point the cursor to the top left of the screen. There are many choices. Tap this three-line icon. Here a scrolling menu will appear like this. Tap the Settings menu. Now here it is in the Settings menu. And there are several menu options. Tap on the words Display Recent Templates on Home Screens. When finished, tap OK. The function of activating this feature is to hide the display of the latest templates on the main page, and the main screen only displays a list of the latest files without template recommendations, making the appearance cleaner and more minimalist. So that's it, tutorial how to hide display recent templates on home screen's Google Sheets on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.